Good morning, everybody. Crypto STRANG here. Just going to go with 4 projects that I'm going to get started with in November. Brand new projects for me, ones which look excellent for the future. Always say it's not financial advice, doing due diligence. These are very speculative because they are so low cap gems in my opinion, but they're so lowly ranked, the price could go either way. You know, the bigger the risk, bigger the reward, they say. However, you've got to do your own research and see if you want to take that risk. But these, to me, personally, look real solid projects which have potential to have longevity. Naturally, the price will hopefully go up. All sort of different in their own aspects, but I just really like these projects. So the first one to talk about is Crust, CRU, ranked 705 at the moment. Market cap is basically 4.6 million. What I like about the supply, though, majority of it's out there. The total supply is only 1 million. The circulating supply is literally 998,684, so literally nearly all of it's out there. So again, that affects in the price. So to sum up what Crust is, the project claims to be developing decentralized cloud blockchain technology on the Polkadot. So when we spoke about Polkadot recently and the different projects on Polkadot, I spoke about many that I liked, and Crust, yeah, looks absolutely fantastic. So Crust implements the incentive layer protocol for decentralized storage. So it's basically another project that talks about storage of data, etc. So it's adaptable to multiple storage layer protocols such as IPFS and provides support for the application layer. Crust architecture also has the capability of supporting a decentralized computing layer and building a decentralized cloud ecosystem. The project's based on launch, so as I say, it looks a wonderful project. Back in September, literally September the 21st, it reached its all-time high of $10.03. You can see at the moment at $4.65. However, 3 days later, on September the 24th, it was its all-time low of $3. So obviously had a big pump. Now it's sort of stabilised, and that's why me personally, I'll be getting into this project. It's on some good. It's on Bitmart, Huobi, BKX, Uniswap. So I'll be getting personally some on Bitmart or Huobi. So I like both those exchanges. But again, it's up to you. But I really do like this project. But as you say, who knows what the future holds? But you go on their website, and it states there the meaningful proof of work, the guaranteed by storage resources. Crust GPOS, guaranteed proof of stake. Consensus uses storage resources as a guarantee. Encourages nodes to provide more storage resources and improves the security and robustness of the network. So decentralized cloud storage and computing, and product matrix. So the Crust Cloud, decentralized iCloud provide a cloud storage application, so it's cheaper, lower price, larger space. Hardware encryption, decentralized space, protects you from privacy leak. It's also faster, the Crust Cloud Enterprise, low cost, more secure, high efficiency. It's got the timeline there, it's got the different part of the roadmap. The team members, you can see there, all very experienced. Looks absolutely wonderful. You know, there's a lot of people involved with blockchain for a long while, a lot of experience, so again like that. Also the partnerships I really did like. You know, a lot of Chinese companies there, for example, but you can see their consensus lab, which is always great to see, as many as all these others, you know. Quite a lot of partnerships there, so it does look to me again a project that has longevity. So let's just see how they progress. Again, purely speculative, these projects, a lot of them, because they are so lowly ranked, so it could go either way. Maybe $10 the highest price ever gets, but as I say, because the supply is pretty much all out there at the moment, it's one that I really do like, and I like the project itself. So Crust CRU, keep your eye out for that one. The next one is Zenzo, ZNZ, ranked 1151. Market cap is only just over 1 million. Basically, the market, the supply and total supply is basically half. Not much volume in the last 24 hours. You know, it's just approaching 8 cents. Its all-time high was only 11 cents. It was actually last Sunday, October the 21st. It's on minimal exchanges. It's only on GranUX and Crex24, but again, this is very speculative. Anything this low on rank is very speculative. Again, I just liked it because it's basically describes itself as an all-encompassing ecosystem designed specifically for gamers and good game developers. We spoke about other gaming projects before, obviously like Engine is probably the biggest one, but Zenzo, it does look like an up-and-coming project. So again, let's see how they go. Again, the supply, you can see there, says at half the moment. It does state also the max supply will ever be is 83 million. But at the moment, circulating the total supply plan at the moment is basically half. So you've got to look at the max supply. Again, that affect the price. However, I think this is one me personally, I'm going to hold long term. I'm going to buy some Zenzo, just keep it there, see how it progresses. Again, very speculative though, but let's see how they progress. The foundation is dedicated proof of stake gaming blockchain, known as basically the Zenzo blockchain. So the multifaceted driving force within the network is the Zenzo coin, known as ZNZ. So The primary vision is to facilitate adoption and awareness of both blockchain and cryptocurrency in the gaming industry. Go on their website, zenzo.io, for the gamer, by the gamer, through blockchain. So you can see all the information about it. States there all the info, the arcade sides of it, where it unites gaming and cryptocurrency together by offering a free market platform with multiple currency payment gateways. So again, the core team, it's a big team, fairly big team behind it. You can see it here though, they're literally dotted all around the world, and they've got their LinkedIn profiles, which I always like to see. You can see their previous history, you can see there. So basically go through there, like Luke, the co-founder, is based in America. Martin Support is based in USA. Rao there, he's based in Netherlands, Spain, you know, another one, USA, Colombia, UK, South Africa. So it does look really good. And again, you've got the advisors as well. You've got these advisors along the bottom. So it does look, again, a solid project. So another one to keep your eye on is Zenzo, ZNZ. Another one, basically saw this on Medium, and when someone was on Twitter recently about upcoming projects, and a lot of people said INJ, and because I've seen it on Medium, I looked into it a bit more. Now it's ranked 481. So again, it's quite lowly ranked. The market cap is just basically 10.5 million. The only downside was the circulating supply and total supply. You know, it's only basically like 13% it was out there again, so that affect the price. At the moment, it's just over 79 cents. It was actually $1.22 last weekend, but it's on Binance, it's on Hotbit. Again, it supplies any downside to me. Otherwise, it looks a really good project. So INJ describes itself as the first layer -2 DEX that unlocks the full potential of decentralized derivatives and borderless DeFi. The injective chain is implemented as a Cosmos SDK module built with Ethermint EVM on Tendermint, basically. It utilizes a Tendermint-based proof of stake to facilitate cross-chain derivatives trading across Cosmos, Ethereum, and many other layer 1 protocols. So I read also about how does it actually work. So INJ is the token utilized on Injective and was launched via a public offering this year. And it also kind of first project backed, which is what was the main bit that I really liked when I read this, was the first project backed by Binance Labs to debut on the Binance Launchpad. So that on its own was huge. The use cases intended for INJ include, but not limited to, protocol governance, exchange fee value capture, derivatives collateralization, liquidity mining and staking. The Injective platform enables users to take part in a decentralized cross-chain derivatives trading with zero gas fees, while also being able to access cross-chain yield generation from alternative assets. So again, I think it's one for like long-term more than anything really. It just looks another one, excellent project in the making. We'll see how it develops. See, basically all the projects here are very, very speculative. I've sort of gone away from a normal way of sort of picking. I know I've done some speculative ones before, but all these are very speculative. So we'll see how it goes. On their website, injectiveprotocol.com, you can see there, fast, secure, and fully decentralized trading. And it states all their family, say Binance, probably the biggest part about that. But many others, limitless trading on first fully decentralized exchange. It's got all their unlimited margin of gas fees, trade on anything, earn for community owned. So I do follow them on Twitter. There's a lot of information on there. I think it's got huge potential personally, but again, that's just my personal opinion. Now, the next one was one I actually spoke about the other day, because it was rumoured when Coinbase done on their blog, they're looking at this and may list it on Coinbase. Now, as I said on the video the other day, majority never get listed on Coinbase, they just merely announce it. When it does, you normally get a big pump. This one, though, hasn't had the big pump last month. Regardless of that, I never really heard of it until Coinbase actually done that basic information on their blog. So I looked into it, and out of all the projects, I did a video on the other day, this was the one that I really did like. Now, last month it reached incredible, basically high of $140.81, which was absolutely incredible. Now the market at the moment is just approaching 2.5 million. The volume of the last 24 hours has been huge, though. You know, it's 5,711,000 in the last 24 hours. So you can see by the charts, very much up and down. So because it reached those prices before, I've let it stabilise. Again, very speculative, ranked 888. And it describes itself basically as a credit-based cross-chain DeFi lending platform dedicated to the crypto asset lending and cross-chain interaction between DeFi products. Now, they've also got a flash pool, where it's the first product on Wing. The flash pool claims to support assets lending, and it's introduced insurance pool to lower asset risks. So basically, it supports assets like Ontology, Ethereum, wrapped Bitcoin, etc. So it does look good, and it's got community proposals, but I just like the fact that it's got develops a credit evaluation module as a showcase example of credit-based decentralized lending. So there's a lot of sort of highlights to it, but the credit lending is a really good side to it. Again, the prices, who knows where it's going to end up. Its all-time low is only like $9.35, and here we're at $9.96. So again, we'll have to see. Now, let's just have a quick look which market pairs these are on, just so you can see your full range. So OKX, obviously it's on Binance because they started on the Binance land, but there's not many other exchanges listed on OKX and MXC.com. So, and the volume on OKX is relatively low compared to the Binance. So again, hopefully get listed on more exchanges and see what it does with the price, how it develops. But certainly another one to really keep on your radar. Now, going on their website, basically wing.finance, you can see there the assets deposited on the flash pool. There you go. That's a lot. You know, a credit-based cross-chain DeFi platform, the docs there, the Wing project. States there, as I said, it was designed a DeFi platform dedicated to the digital asset lending market, supporting cross-chain collaboration between various DeFi products. Wing token governance. Wing token holders may participate in the governance of the Wing DAO community. Incentive. The daily constant release of Wing tokens is designed to each product based on the transaction volume of DeFi products on the Wing platform. The release 80% of the total supply of Wing tokens be released regularly as liquid incentives and deposit-based incentives. Just going back to that, I did mention the supply there. So circulating supply is basically 250,000, but the reported circulating supply is basically 500,000. The total supply is only 2 million. Again, 2 million is really low in crypto speak. So if we're going to go by that, you know, it's not a huge amount out there. Basically about a quarter of the actual total supply. But as I say, we go to their website and now they're going to release the rest. And what I like to hear is developed by the ontology team. And I love ontology. So again, it's nice to see ontology developing other products. So again, Wing, mentioned the other day, that headline alone, assets deposited, looks absolutely fantastic. So I think personally this project, out of all the ones I've mentioned today, this is the one I have the biggest hope for. But as I say, there's no guarantee. So you must do your own research. But that's what I personally, but these are my 4 for November. I say very respective projects. Let me know what projects you're looking at. I say there's so many out there. There's obviously thousands of coins now. Getting them low cap gems is what it's all about to me. So let me know other projects I should know about. It looks fantastic. Let's see how they develop. I do, like I always do, a price update in 3 months' time, and we'll see how they've gotten on. You know, it's not always guaranteed by any stretch. So let's see how they get on. But lovely to hear from you. Anyone need help, email me info@cryptostrang.com. Help any way I can. Be great to hear from you. Thanks very much. Cheers. Bye.